Video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Chrome driver in Mac. So let's get started. Now this is pretty easy. What you have to do is go ahead and open the terminal app. Now from here, you have to first of all install Homebrew if you don't have it already. Now to check if you have it, you can just go ahead and type this command, brew, brew, 2 dashes and version. If you enter that and you see some version, then that means Homebrew is installed. Now let's say it's not installed, then what you have to do is just copy this command and paste it in terminal. Okay, I'll post this command in the description of the video. So just go ahead and click on enter, type in your password, and it will install it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and terminate it and then reopen it because I already have it installed. Now the second step is to install Chrome driver, and this is how you do it. Just type in brew install, then cask Chrome driver. Click on enter. You're gonna wait for it. It's gonna do the loading. Okay. Just wait for it. And just gonna wait for it. It's downloading Chrome driver in the background. And there you go, it's done. Now let it just finish and I'll tell you how to confirm if it's installed. There is a command which you can check to verify installation. So for that you can just type in Chrome driver 2 dashes and version. Okay, so if you get this error, what you have to do is go to system settings, then go to privacy, here privacy and security, scroll down and click on allow, because as you can see it was saying Chrome driver was blocked to protect your Mac. Click on allow. Now if I go here and type in Chrome driver 2 dashes and version, open anyways, I'm gonna give my password, and there you go. As you can see, a version appeared, and that means that Chrome driver is successfully installed on my Mac. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.